And the AS3X is a little confused because the plane's jiggling so much from the wind that it's having a hard time initializing, if you will. We're at the Arizona Electric Fest 2022. Wind's blowing pretty darn good. We're with Ali Machinchy on the sticks over there. He has the new, well, I say new, he has the E-flite Carbon-Z Cessna, and it's done up as a tail dragger this time, so the second iteration. This plays really easy to fire for me, so this is good. This is good. But Ali is here, and he has a whole slew of wonderful airplanes. And again, this is the Carbon-Z Cessna 150 from our friends at Horizon Hobby E-flite. And Ali is flying in some really, really, really tough winds. It's cold, so if I'm shaking, that's why. It's about 45 degrees. We're in Arizona, by the way, okay? It's about 45 degrees. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And it's windy on top of that, so I don't know, 40 degrees, I guess, wind chill? I don't know. Look at that backdrop. Beautiful backdrop in here in Arizona. Looking forward to it warming up as the day goes on. And we got some wonderful airplanes. Hopefully the wind will die down. Got some wonderful airplanes to capture on video for you. This is the riders of the storm right here. It's just blowing. Whew.
Okay, we got a 10-minute countdown to the mandatory pilots meeting.
All right.
If mandatory pilots meeting. You're coming over here.
This is the Arizona Electric Festival. This is the 18th year, I think? 18 years. It's held in Mesa, Arizona. Actually, it's in the Superstition Air Park. We're just outside the Superstition Mountains. This is on the far east side of town. There's Ali. And it's just a wonderful facility. Well, 18 years. some nice saguaro cactus there. The AS3X helps smooth out the bump, smooth out the wind. Again, it's about a 13, probably 10 to 13 mile an hour wind. This plane handles it like nobody's business. Sit right here for now. We'll be done shortly, I guess. That's only puts the Cessna by. It's going backwards. This is silly things with them. It's wonderful. Wonderful. Yo, look at this, huh? Zero forward airspeed landing. Outstanding. Yeah, absolutely. Build it, they will come.
Thanks, James.
Thank you, Ali, kind sir, yet again.
Get the flight suit whilst there's a bit of clear sky.
Yes, sir.
Be ideal air, but
yeah.
It is what it is, you know.
But you're a champion. You toughed it out. This brutal Arizona weather.
Yeah, I never thought I'd come to Arizona for brutal flying. Good way to sum it up.
Oh my gosh, it's wonderful. Yeah, planes like this are just so much fun to fly, and even in wind. And the AS3X really smooths it out. Thank you, Ali, sir, again. And yeah, this is the E-flite Cessna Carbon-Z 150. Version 2, if you will. And we're at the Arizona Electric Fest 2022. Much more to come.